Hey everyone, Reed here. Today I'm really excited to show you what I consider to be an improvement in including Unichar symbols within your DAX measures. I was actually shown this neat trick while giving a presentation at the Data Grillen conference in Germany last month from an attendee named Michael Dvorak. So many thanks to Michael, as this gave me a great topic for a video. And with that being said, let's hop into Power BI and get started. So I'm actually going to use a file from a previous video. That video was explaining how to create these cool little compact KPI cards that you see in front of you. If you're curious how to make this, I will link you here to the other video and you can go ahead and follow along with the process there. But for this video, I want to focus on showing you how to use the Unichar symbols within a DAX measure and a new approach to including them. The Unichar symbol itself is what is returning this little chart symbol here that either goes up or down depending on the direction of the data. So let's go ahead and take a look over here at the old formula that I used in the previous video. So if you actually look up here, you will see that the measure uses the Unichar symbol here and here to include the chart increase and decrease. Now the trick that I learned, if I come over here and look at the new formula, you'll see that I have taken this and I've replaced the Unichar symbol with literally the actual image itself that I copied and pasted from a web page. So if you go to a web page that contains Unichar or Unicode symbols and you just copy and paste the actual symbol or icon directly from the text into here, you can avoid the step of needing to use the Unichar function to retrieve the number, which then returns the symbol. So they both work just as well. Neither of them are going to be faster or slower, but I honestly like the look of this because I can see the symbol in here that's going to be returned before I actually have to put it on a visual. So it just makes it a little bit easier to read, honestly. But that's about it for the video. I'm really just wanting to show you that there is another method for including Unichar symbols within DAX. Neither is necessarily better or worse, and it depends on your personal preference, but I think this is definitely a nice little fun trick to learn that I honestly didn't know until I had that conference last month. And that about covers it. So if you liked this video, please click or smash that like button below. If you have anything to say about this video or have a comment for a future video, please add that to the comment section down below. And if this is your first time to my channel or you want to see more videos, please click that subscribe and notification button. And otherwise, I will see you in my next video.